To utilize budget coupons, start by navigating to your profile, typically located in the top right corner, and select the dashboard option. This will direct you to a new page where you can find the Coupons section on the left-hand side. Clicking on this will display all available coupons. If you have recently created your account, you should see a list of active coupons. However, if your account is older, the coupons may be expired. To apply a coupon, simply click on the Use or Claim button. These coupons function as deductions for training fees, with specific discounts and maximum values, such as 50% off up to 50 USDT. Once you click Use, the coupon will be automatically applied to your training fees. The process is straightforward. Visit the Coupons page, select a coupon, and click Claim to have it used immediately.